Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the device has power or plug it in because some options appear only when charging. You'll unlock the screen, open settings, or swipe down to the quick control panel and find the battery or power saving section. Once located, you'll see the active saver toggle and possibly a scheduled rule. This tells you why features are limited. Toggle is the immediate fix. If a scheduled rule exists, tap into schedules to prevent automatic reactivation. Now disable the saver and restore restrictions. You'll switch the main power saver toggle off and then re-enable key features like background data, higher CPU performance, and automatic brightness if they were lowered. Make sure to check app restrictions so notifications and syncing resume. Once done, confirm performance by opening a normal app. It should load faster. If you use automation rules, edit or delete the schedule so the mode won't restart unexpectedly. Finish by verifying settings are applied. Close and reopen an app or restart the device to force the system to apply changes. If an app still won't run in the background, go to its battery optimization settings and set it to unrestricted so syncing resumes. Make sure automatic brightness and performance preferences reflect your choices. If the toggle refuses to change, plug in and charge to about 80%, then retry. Charging can unlock options that require sufficient battery to disable power saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.